Welcome to Balloon Click. Today we're going to work on this New Year's hat with the firework explosions, and let's get started. Okay, let's start by taking all of the balloons that we'll be using, and we'll tie a knot, except for the blue balloon. We're going to use it full length. Every other balloon that we use in the project will be cut, a knot tied in the center, and then cut so that we can inflate this side and this side. So you'll end up with this represents one balloon. It's two halves of one balloon, but you'll need two yellows balloons, so there'll be four altogether. The red, there'll be four altogether, and then the silver, just one. There'll be two altogether. Okay, and then we'll use the blue for the hat band. There'll be 6 balloons altogether. After you've fully inflated the blue balloon, and this is for, it replaces black. I would rather have this be black. But anyhow, I'm just going to go ahead and find the hat size of the individual that you're going to work on, and bring it across. Just a regular helmet hat, and that's it. At this point, we'll take the silver and we'll attach it at the center point of between the front and the back of the hat on this side, and then we'll add one silver to this side as well. You'll want to find the center of this that goes over the top, and go ahead and twist it, and then attach the silver at that point. And the other silver at that point. I'm just going to twist them together now. Okay, so there we go. This is the hat base, and then we're going to make the sparklers. These are the I don't know, the tails of the firework. Anyhow, take the yellows that you've inflated. I'm just going to twist them in half, and twist these in half as well. Twist them together and add them to the top of the hat. Okay, now we're going to do the same with the red. You could use any color you want. I kind of like the clear ones for this. The jewel tone. Go ahead and twist those in half. Put them together. Just a small bubble here. Go through. And there you go. We have a New Year's hat.